Now I'm really questioning if it's worth it to go anymore to the salon. Get comfortable, today we are talking all about IPL hair removal at home. Alright guys, welcome back to the new video. I am so happy to have you here. So you might be asking, what is actually IPL? IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light, and no, it is not a laser, it is Intense Pulse Light, so it's different principle. So I am doing my IPL routine on my legs, my armpits, and then the upper lip and also the bikini parts. So I'm not going to show you this intimate parts, but I am doing that. I can tell you later how it's working, because I'm struggling with the bikini part a lot. I have very painful razor bumps there, and yeah, it's just horrible. It doesn't look good. It looks very bad. So I am hoping for better days. The routine is that you always have to shave before the IPL, so there is no hair remaining on the surface. So shave before, then IPL, and then your cream for hydration. There are many ways you can shave. You can wax, you can go to laser appointments, or you can do IPL at home, painless, easy, literally about 10 minutes, the whole body. I have been shaving my whole life and I had always reasons for that, but I'm experiencing very painful razor bumps and dryness after every time I shave. And listen, I cannot deal with that anymore. I'm using shaving creams, I'm using, I would say, pretty good quality razors, but it's just not it. It doesn't look good, it doesn't feel good, and that's why I'm so excited on partnering up with a ULIKE and their IPL hair removal device. I feel like it's very important to do your research before you are buying your IPL device, because they are all not the same. I did my research for you before that, and I was also looking for ULIKE reviews all around the internet. It was just, the reviews were just so good that I couldn't resist, and I wanted to try it by myself. And even my skin is light, my hair is very stubborn and dark, which is actually the best condition for IPL devices. This light treatment is used in industry for years now. IPL uses intense pulses of a broad spectrum of polychromatic light. It targets the melanin in hair follicles and sets the hair root dormant. I bet you are asking if the IPL will work for you, so I will put somewhere here on the screen the chart. You can also find it, I bet, on their website or everywhere, to look yourself. For IPL hair removal to work, there must be a contrast between the skin tone and the hair color. So the best example is the user with a light skin tone and with the dark hair color. For example, also on my hands I have very light hair, thin hair, so there I wasn't even trying to use it, because that's not suitable for this method. There are so many hair removal methods in the industry, and I actually didn't like any of those. That's why I was shaving my whole life. I don't like waxing, I have never tried that, but just the thought that I am going somewhere and someone else is waxing my private parts or like even my armpits, it just, no, it's not for me. And when I'm just thinking about the pain which brings waxing, like, no thanks, I'm not doing that. And also the time, you have to drive there, you have to make the appointment, it's also pretty expensive in the long run, and no, it's just annoying. Then you have laser treatments, that's even more expensive. I have never actually thought about laser treatments because just about the price, no thanks. And then if you actually think you are buying your whole life razors, It's also more expensive actually than IPL, because you just invest, you know, once in this machine and then you are actually set, and it gives you, you know, permanent results if you use it consistently. You use the IPL device first for weeks in the intervals every 2 days. It's recommended. After 4 weeks you should see the results that the hair is growing back thinner, slower, you know, and softer. And then after 4 weeks you are literally doing your routine just once per, you know, 2 weeks, twice a month, and that's it. You do this in a long term, which I feel like it's nothing crazy. It takes literally 10 minutes to do your whole body. If you really set your mind that you are consistent with it, it brings you very nice results. I am so excited for that. I would really like to give you the update with the time with the new upcoming video. And of course, if you are interested in something, if you have any questions, just comment below. I will try to answer that. What's new with the Air 10 is the dual lights, that has 2 times more light source for faster, more effective treatments, and it has 18% wider treatment area and 65% greater energy output. This new SHR mode Salon Inspire is the new industry standard with an impressive 26 yacht total energy output per 4 pulse burst, and it should eliminate the most stubborn hair, which is amazing. In Air 10 is also a skin sensor, which is smart skin protection with the ice cooling effect, and I'm telling you, it was very cold. The next gen ice cooling technology makes sure that even after using about 30 minutes, it is the safe and protect your skin, preventing burns and even leaving your skin feeling like a new, you know. After each treatment, I felt the cooling. The machine was literally cold. You can use the Air 10 literally for the whole body, but of course, not to forget to mention, you have to avoid the eye area and always use the goggles protection, which you get everything in the box. In the box you will get goggles, you will get the, of course, the machine, you will get there the charging plugs. There are 4 modes which you can use. There is the fast mode, which is best for maintenance and small touch-ups, the normal mode, which is best for removal of finer to normal hair. There is high mode, best for removal of thicker hair, and there is this new SHR mode, which is a high intensity treatment to eliminate stubborn hair. And I would recommend to start with the, you know, the fast mode, with the lower mode, and you do your test prior use on your whole body, and you feel yourself how, you know, it's comfortable for you. So that's what I did, and that's what actually is recommended. And with, I would say that with every treatment, you know, you can go higher, you can always go higher. This technique should be same effective like laser, but even cheaper than razors. So there is a big question mark, because that sounds pretty good. I have also, guys, discount code for you, Vyulike. I will leave everything here and in the description below. You get literally 130 euros off on the new Air 10, which is amazing. It's great. Let me know if you actually purchased it. I would be really interested in it. There is 90 days return-free policy and getting money back, and 2 years warranty. ULIKE was also the #1 home hair removal device brand of 2022, which is amazing. We got the proof. They have over 30 certificates, you know, together with the safety, with the resources and stuff like that. So you can definitely also find it yourself. So this is pretty good, you know, based information to have, because the first place what we have to care about is, of course, the safety, right? It needs to be safe for us to use it at home alone. Right now I'm really questioning if it's worth it to go anymore to the salon, you know, with these great opportunities and things to do yourself at home. I'm even cutting my hair at home and coloring my hair at home. So if you are actually interested in stuff like this, you can definitely check out my other videos. I would be very interested hearing about your shaving journey and which products are you actually using. So feel free to drop the comment below, and yeah, we can talk maybe more about that. If you are new here and you like content like this, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share the video or comment and like and all of that. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.